And now we get into syncing up using the auto sync feature in your sequence. So on your timeline. So you drop in your footage, whatever you want. Now the Premiere currently does not have the ability to say, "Oh, I want to select everything here and synchronize." Now what you have to do is you have to do one set of things at a time. So where'd the audio go? Oh, there we go. So you let's say you select these guys, you right click, and you say synchronize, and you say, well, what do you want to synchronize off when they start shooting? Well, you don't want to do that because the audio started at a different time as the video. Most for the circumstances, where they end, same deal. So you want to go off of the audio track on the video, and you say okay, and then you check to see if it's sunk.
Hey Lucy, can we?
All right. Then do same thing with your other guy over here. Synchronize. Say okay. Boom. You check and see. Okay, these things are way off here. Um, now, if you need to move over one clip, you could grab that one clip, move it over approximately where you need to be, and then if you need to move over frame by frame, let's go ahead and zoom in on that. If you need to do it frame by frame, you would click on that one thing and you hit Alt and then period or comma. They're the things that look, I mean, like the above the period and comma. Yeah, have the greater than or less than symbols, which make it look like arrows. Anyway, so Alt and then one frame at a time to get where you want. If you need to. Yeah. So now, if you need to make a, if you're doing all this, if you bring on all your footage over here, and you line it up, you could split it up later on by doing what's called subsequences. So let's say you have like 50 shots in a row you synchronize on here. So that this, we'll call this your, um, you know, all footage or something like that, right? And where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Okay, I don't know where it went. All right. Let's see, this is probably in the dictionary. Okay, so it's at the bottom here. All right. So you take your sequence, you drag it into your source monitor, and now from your source monitor, you are looking at your sequence, and you can make in and out points on that one and say in. And let's pretend this is the out point. Um, and then you do is you right click and you say, I'm sorry, right click up here and you say make subsequence. And then you have a clip, or actually a sequence, that is just that one section of your long thing. And then this right here is now, um, you know, 1A, or sorry, 1B, take one, right? And then you have your sub clip that came from, or sub sequence that came from, um, uh, you know, your all your footage timeline. Yeah, and you can also do sub clips if you want to. So let's say if, for example, uh, this thing here, if you wanted to make a sub clip of that, you would make an in point, make your out point, and then right click, and then you have make sub clip, and then that becomes, you could say, was it 1C take 2. And then you have just that part that you need. Let's say, for example, if you had the camera rolling and the audio rolling for a long time, and you did multiple takes without cutting, you could break up you could sync it up once using merge clip or whatever else, and then you could break it into smaller bites, um, using subclip. All right, sound good? All right, have an awesome time editing. Take care.